The NSS unit of Guru Nanak Khalsa College, Matunga, presents before you an interesting and fact-filled video about the National Endangered Species. On this National Endangered Species Day, come, let's explore and learn more about these species. So, why do we celebrate National Endangered Species Day? At root, National Endangered Species Day is designed to help people learn more about the environmental issues that the planet faces today. It isn't about getting in people's faces or even activism. Instead, it is to come together to find creative win-win ways to solve the environmental problems that we have and protect the natural world. After all, we must all live in it.
Asiatic lion. The Asiatic lion is one of the mightiest species of lion in the world. The entire population of this species can now only be found in India and is now restricted to Gir National Park and environs in Gujarat. The IUCN Red List has declared the animal endangered because of the constant decrease of its population since 2010. The total number of the Asiatic lions left in the country are now just 650.
The snow leopard is a large cat which used to be found in large number in the mountain ranges of Asia. But because of constant human interference in their natural environment, the number of snow leopard have dropped down to almost 500. These cats can now be spotted only in Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and the western and eastern part of the Himalayas.
Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger referred to as the big cat in our country. The Bengal tiger has 70% of its overall population living in India. Due to the rigorous poaching instances in India, the species became endangered in the last 4 years. Corbett National Park has a large number of Bengal tigers currently, though the overall number of these tigers in India are down to around 2000.
The Kashmiri red stag is also known as hangul and have been critically endangered for decades. The animal is found in dense riverine forest of the high valleys in Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. The number of Kashmiri red stags has fallen as low as 150 in 1970, but since then there have been many conservation drives conducted to protect this critically endangered species in our country. Black buck. The black buck is also known as an Indian antelope and is found in several regions of India, Nepal and Pakistan. The species has also been declared extinct in Bangladesh and is now endangered in India due to heavy poaching and tampering of its natural environment. The black buck can now only be seen in small herds in the country, but as a conservative measure it has been introduced in Argentina and the United States to increase their number. The one-horned rhino is also called the Indian rhinoceros and is listed as the vulnerable species by the IUCN. The animal is mostly found in the foothills of Himalayas in India and in Nepal. They are usually poached for their horns, which allegedly have medicinal properties. Due to constant poaching, the number have decreased over time, with now more than 2,000 such rhinos remaining in the wild. Now, they are being conserved in several wildlife sanctuaries and parks in nation. In the past, lion-tailed macaws have been hunted for their meat and fur, resulting in the species being listed as endangered with less than 2,500 individuals left in the wild. Studies reports that there are currently between 3,000 to 4,000 individuals left in the wild, including some populations in the Kudiremukh and Sharavati Wildlife Sanctuary in Karnataka, the Anomalia Tiger Reserve and Megamalia Wildlife Sanctuary in Tamil Nadu.
The Nilgiri Thar is an endangered mountain goat species which is now found in some areas of Kerala. The species became endangered due to continuous poaching and lack of natural habitats for them. They are considered as the state animal of Tamil Nadu but are now having trouble finding a home in the state. There are around 2,500 Nilgiri Thars left in the world now and their number remains decreasing due to harmful human activities.
The more we take care of all the species on our planet, the better it will be, and that's what makes this particular day of the year so important.